how to join Navy Federal, and why I put together a 26-page guide explaining everything I wish I knew sooner about Navy Federal, how to join, who's eligible to join, and a brand new program that they just came out, which will allow you as current Navy Federal members to refer members right online and through the app and earn money. You can earn $50 per referral, and newcomers that are coming into Navy Federal can earn up to $100. So make sure to comment the word guide on this video, and I will send you exclusive free access for you to be able to get this 26-page guide on information I wish I knew sooner. How to join, what are some of the best things about Navy Federal, how you can use Navy Federal to build credit for your children, how you can even add your children as an authorized user onto your Navy Federal credit cards, how you can add a co-borrower onto your pledge loan so two people can build credit instead of one. There are so many hacks in here. This is going to be your roadmap to success when it comes to Navy Federal, guys. So make sure to visit the pinned, comment the word guide, and I will send you, my friend, exclusive access, because if you knew better, you would do better. And this guide has everything that you need to know. I will see you next time. And if you are new here, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. Give me a huge thumbs up, because let me tell you, this took many hours for me to put together just for you guys to be able to learn from my experience and my clients' experience. And mind you, this took years for me to learn. And I put everything in here that you need to know in order for you to be super successful with your journey with Navy Federal, even if you have less than perfect credit. The only thing that I would say, don't mess this up. Don't get Navy Federal credit cards and not pay them back. Don't get credit products with them and not pay them back. They have so much more to offer you than just a high limit credit card. That's a drop in the bucket for these guys. We have to focus on long term. What is your long term goal? Is it to purchase property? Because there's a lot of credit products that Navy Federal could offer that would allow you, that are going to be life changing for you, to start that business, to purchase inventory. Whatever your goals are, this is going to be the access that you need. They offer personal credit products and business credit products, and as long as you are a personal member with them, you can certainly sign up with a business account with Navy Federal. Game changers. Get high limit credit cards with Navy Federal that other banks wouldn't be willing to give you, and use those as comparable credit. So now when you go to Chase, when you go to USAA, when you go to these other credit unions, you're already going to have that foundation built and show some high limit credit products. Add a couple high limit credit cards that are authorized users. So that way you will get high limits when you go to other financial institutions. This is just the beginning. This is going to open up so many doors and opportunities as long as you do it properly. Open that bank account, focus on the 5 or more banking products, and follow the instructions on the guide. If you want to learn more about credit, personal credit, business credit, building credit, starting a credit repair business, whatever the case may be when it comes to this credit world, you can join the credit community. I've given you exclusive access inside of this guide for you guys to learn more and join the credit community. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.